Canine. Today we have Bessie here with us. She's a 2-year-old golden retriever. She was brought to us to work on socialization skills, so that way she can go out in public and be around other dogs and do just fine. So we're going to see what she knows already on some of the commands that we're going to be working on over the next few weeks. Bessie, come. Come. See, as you can see, she is quite a bit nervous. Wait. Wait. Okay. Sit. Good. Step. Press it down. So as you can see, she doesn't know too many of the commands that we're going to be working on over the next few weeks. And she is a little bit skittish right now. She just got home with us. So over the next few weeks, we're going to be boosting her confidence and working on her socialization skills. Thank you. Have a blessed day.